not the new wonder. Come on.
मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, ओ महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा। मुझको पाने की खातिर तरसे जहान रे, पाएगा जो भी मुझको होगा बेमिसाल रे। मुझको पाने की खातिर तरसे जहान रे, पाएगा जो भी मुझको होगा बेमिसाल रे। मेरी अदाएं तौबा पागल बनाए तौबा, सैया बेदर्दी मेरे हो तुझ पे दिल डूबा। मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, ओ महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा।
The way she grab me, woman, never think I find another love in the world. You are the only one that I be thinking of. And if them ever listen, check that line in a thunder. The way she put this on you, must one of the seven wonder. You make me wanna fall in love, baby. My princess, look miraculous in your sundress. Them gal there, no contest. You the hottest, yes, must confess. Richness and sweat, and nobody does it better. No, we are the best, yeah. I'ma take you where you wanna go, like you ain't already know. Baby, don't if you fall, take you to the Taj Mahal. Take us all through the wall garden. You so rich like the white ball.
परी नहीं मैं, परियों की रानी मैं, मेरी जवानी ही मेरी कहानी है। परी नहीं मैं, परियों की रानी मैं, मेरी जवानी मेरी कहानी है। मेरी जवानी मेरी कहानी, नींद चुराए तेरे रातों की जानी। मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, ओ महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, ओ महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा।
Make me wanna fall in love,
हम आ गए। ये बहुत टाइम से ये नहीं कहा हमने यार, हम आ गए। ये पहले बहुत कहते थे हम लोग, पर आई थिंक एवर सिंस आई बीन लूजिंग को-होस्ट लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर, वी हैव डिसाइडेड कि ये मुझे करना ही नहीं है। मैं जिंदगी से मतलब मेरे हाथ धो दिए, दुखी हो चुका हूं मैं। नाउ आई जस्ट से हम आ गए। सो वेलकम बैक। आई होप यू गाइस आर एंजॉयिंग द शो। वी आर इन कन्वर्सेशन ऑफ कोर्स विद अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लेडी जिसे देख के आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड अ को-होस्ट एनीमोर। I'm talking about Shweta Subram.
You're too sweet every single time.
Well, I'm telling you, I'm a genuine fan, yeah. Normally, I'm a lot more confident in my interviews, but because I think Shweta's talent is so massive that you always kind of feel the need to be like, please, aye. So we're now talking about Ajuba. We just saw the music video, by the way. Hope you guys enjoyed that music video. Love the video. Love the song even more. How did this come to happen?
Well, Ajuba is one of those songs that I wrote at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh.
One night I was just like, oh my God, I don't know why I'm feeling really creative right now. You know, I couldn't sleep. I was just like, you know what? Let me just pen down lyrics that are coming into my mind.
I'm going to ask you this. What happened at 4 in the morning that you go, "Main hu tumhari Ajuba"?
Well, I don't know if you want to talk about that, but you know, maybe I was just out there and I saw a hot guy on the street and I'm like, oh, main hu tumhari Ajuba.
Done.
You never know, right? But no, really, I was just at home and I was just like, you know, I don't know why, I just feel like I'm humming this tune,
Right.
and I'm feeling it. I'm like, let me write something down, let me try, and within about half an hour, no jokes, I had a song ready.
Wow.
In half an hour, and I was like, wow, I'm really proud of myself. Like,
I want to ask you this: when people talk about songwriting, does that do you actually write the tune and the lyrics at the same time, or?
There's no set formula to it.
Right.
Sometimes the tune comes first and then comes the lyrics.
Okay.
Sometimes I find that, oh, I have the lyrics, now how do I, you know, make it fit within the bar, within
Yes.
the beat, within the tempo. So there's no set formula, but most of the times I would think that most singers, songwriters, they have a tune running in their mind,
Okay.
and then they have a theme, and then they write the song based on you know, it's a romantic song or a fast number or whatever it is.
Makes sense. So at what point did, I know that you had already collaborated with Pariche for Gile and he had produced that track as well. Was there an understanding that he was going to do your next song already, or did you actually have to go to him and say, hey, I've written another song, can we produce this?
No, actually what happened is Parish and I got along really well with our first song with Gile. We both have a very similar musical knowledge, and our interest with music, with Bollywood music, with urban music is quite similar. So the first time we were working on Gile, we really got along and we were like, you know, wow, it'd be awesome to work on another track together.
Nice.
And at that time we didn't even know about Ajuba. It was just sort of a remark, you know, made in passing. And after Gile was done, he really liked how much effort as a team, my team put into Gile with the video, with the song. You know, I'm a perfectionist, so he likes that about me. And he says, you know what? If you ever have a tune, any lyrics that you know that you're humming, you're feeling, just come to me. We'll see if we can work something out. And then he really liked how Ajuba sounded. In fact, he liked Ajuba more than Gile. So
quite honestly,
I want to do it.
I liked Ajuba more than I liked Gile. Gile was a great track, but Ajuba is phenomenal. At what point did Ritualist come into the formula?
Ritualist actually came to the formula because of Pariche, because Pariche recommended Ritualist quite highly. He said, you know, I think Ritualist has the sound that you're looking for. And he just played a couple of clips. I listened to Ritualist and I said, you know what? Yeah, I like how he sounds. Let's give it a shot. And Ritualist is a fantastic person. Really fun to work with him. So I was like, yeah, we're having him on board.
That is awesome. Now let's talk about the music videos. I think both of them have been really glossy videos, and not a lot of local artists do that. I think you know, you can pinpoint the ones. I think most recently we had seen a video by Fanula, and I think that's and Preeta and Ferrari. So there's a very specific genre of artists in Toronto that do that, like the high quality videos. You being someone who has always aspired to do playback singing, were you actually ready for the music videos when they actually came around?
You know, that's a good question, because I always saw myself, you know, behind the cameras. Like, okay, there's, you know, Katrina Kaif or Rani Mukherjee, you know, singing their sari, you know, in the Himalayas, and my voice is, you know, is the voice for them. So you're right. I never saw myself being in videos, but at the same time, you know, the kind of person I am, I love being on camera. I absolutely love being in public. I'm a very confident person. I just love being in front of the camera. So I said, you know what, this is an opportunity for me to really sort of put a face to the voice, and really people should sort of, like, you know, understand, oh, this is Shweta's personality through her music. And that was the opportunity that I didn't want to let go of. So I said, you know what, yeah, why not?
And I think it's a beautiful thing what you're doing, because I believe the world needs to see more Indian beauty than just the Bollywood stereotype of what an Indian beauty is. And it's great to actually see a real voice accompanied by a real Indian beauty, you know. And I'm not saying that Bollywood is plastic. ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं, okay? Please, अब Katrina Kaif के सारे fans बोलेंगे कि ये plastic कह रहा हूँ. No, what I'm trying to say is, I think that, you know, that's a very commercial idea of what beauty is, and I think that it's great to see talent and looks go hand in hand. And you've done that with both the videos. I mean, हाल ही में आपने भी देखी video. I'm sure you guys enjoyed it as well. Vatsal was in the video as well. How did that come about?
It's funny because initially I was thinking of Dino Moria for the video. But then Vatsal just happened so quickly. Like Dino, we were still in talks with Dino, and Vatsal was actually coming to Canada for another project. And a friend of mine knows Vatsal really well. So like he just, you know, we were just chatting one day, and Vatsal heard the song. And he's like, I really like that song. And then he's like, do you have a male model yet?
Oh, wow.
And that's how it all happened. Vatsal, and I was like, you know what? Vatsal's a really good looking guy. And, you know, I'm sure a lot of girls are going to be drooling over his green eyes and fair complexion. And I was like, let's have Vatsal on board. So, yeah, Vatsal happened really quickly. Funny enough, we started off thinking about Dino, but then I said, okay, maybe another project. We'll probably have Dino.
And I mean, your career is just launched right now. I'm pretty sure that we're going to expect to see much and much bigger stars coming into the frame as well. Okay, now let's talk about the song. You know, this song ke bare mein kab se hype kar raha hu, but trust me, it is worth hyping. Shankar Tucker, you know, this is in a lot of ways, if you are someone who's on YouTube, so uncle, auntie, you guys, agar aap YouTube pe hai, very good. If not YouTube pe, please start logging on, because it is a good place to be. Aap itne sare matlab pyare gaane, purane, naye sab discover karenge. You will like YouTube. Check it out. Now, coming back, I think Shankar Tucker, you know, can be described as the man of the moment in a lot of ways. You know, ever since the mashup between Orepia and Rolling in the Deep, he's done some phenomenal music. And one thing a lot of people love about Shankar is the fact that that his vocals are always really strong. You know, not as in Shankar's vocals, like the vocalists he brings in.
Okay, I was like wondering.
No, yeah, I was like, Shankar's vocals. I'm sure. I don't think I've ever heard him sing.
Yeah.
But his music it doesn't sort of rely on a lot of production in that sense. It's very raw, you know, vocals, and he's worked with an entire gamut of vocalists. So when I heard about this, and बाकी में मुझे कल ही पता चला ये collaboration के बारे में. It's been kept under the wraps. It's a good thing because I would have told everyone about it by now.
I know.
So, in that sense, when I heard that, you know, you being a voice, which I think all of Canada greatly admires, teaming up with him, someone who the world admires, I was like, what? Yeah, like what is going on? How did this come about?
You know, it was an excellent surprise. At the same time, it was a very beautiful moment for me when I one day logged onto YouTube.
Yes.
I hardly checked my messages, you know, my inbox on my YouTube, and I just went there casually, and I see a message from Shankar Tucker. And funny enough, a week before, a friend of mine was, you know, just raving about Shankar Tucker's Rolling in the Deep and the mix with Orepia, with Rohan. It was passing around, it was going around, and I was like, wow, this guy who's, you know, got some talent, really good music, and I was all in admiration of his talent. And then I see a message from Shankar saying, I came across your video, I really like your vocals, and I've seen some of your raw videos, like where all I get to hear is your vocals. I really want to do something with you. And I was just like, haha, this is some kind of joke. You know, like,
it's like, no, really.
Yeah, he's like, you know, and then funny enough, I didn't reply to that email the same day. Then 2 days later, Shankar, you know, he sends me another message. He's like, really, are you interested in work with me? So I said, okay, let's do this. So October, I went to Boston.
Right.
And we were going through different ideas of songs. And he's like, you know what, there's a song that I have composed, which he had got inspiration from Raghu Dixit, who's another fantastic artist.
Love Raghu Dixit.
Yeah, he's a great artist himself. So he's like, you know, I have this song that I got inspired after listening to Raghu Dixit. So do you want to just see if you can, you know, work on the song? And within 15 minutes, we had the song down.
Wow.
15 minutes. Like, he had the song ready. He's like, can you just hum a few lines? He's like, you're doing this song. Whether you like it or not, you're doing this song.
Nice.
So I said, okay. And then I was a little apprehensive because, you know, everyone knows Shankar Tucker for the covers that he, you know, recreates, and he has his own flavor, the whole, the fusion element that he puts out there. So I was like, a new song? Really? Like, is this going to work? But, you know, as we can see, the figures, the statistics on YouTube, people are loving it. The comments have been great. I've gotten a lot of emails with people saying that, you know, Shankar has really opened up and tried something different.
Absolutely.
And he's excelling in that venture as well.
Was there ever any hesitation in the sense that you know, when you come from a very old traditionalist mindset, you know, jo purane zamane ke khayalat hote, we try to think of cinema and then TV and then online as an even smaller industry altogether. Were you hesitant, you know, being someone who's somewhere in between having a solo pop career and being a playback singer, to move on to YouTube, where, you know, most people usually try and start off careers on that end?
No, I wasn't hesitant at all, because look at Shankar Tucker. He started off his career there through Shruti Box, through the concept of Shruti Box, and look at the hits he has. In the past 6 months, about 4 million hits.
Wow.
You know, for me, you know, it's a numbers game. I don't look at online media, offline media, traditional media, you know, conventional media. Like, for me, it's all about, you know, like, you know, where's the real talent?
Yes.
And Shankar Tucker is extremely talented. I mean, he can play about 7-8 different instruments. The guy knows his Indian classical music really well.
Yeah.
Like, even I was getting a little nervous. He was talking about ragas to me, and I'm like, you know, slow down there, okay? I need to call my Guruji and confirm, okay?
Wow.
So this guy is phenomenally talented, and to me, I was like, you know what? If I like someone who, you know, really believes in taking raw vocals and minimalistic approach, where the instruments are not like overpowering the voice. It really brings the best out of the singer, and that's what Shankar Tucker is all about. He's like, I want to bring the best out of you. And I was like, that's the person I want to work with.
And you know what? I'm glad you said that, because a lot of people who've heard the track, and I work in radio, so like we hear like music all the time. One of the things a lot of people observed about that track is this is the first time we actually get to hear your vocals in the purest form. I mean, we've heard Jile, we've heard Ajuba, and those songs are great, but they also are packaged in a very pop way. So it is the gloss on top of the talent as well. But when we hear your voice, now we get to see like, oh, Shweta's voice has got this feel to it. And I don't think anyone would have expected, you know, after hearing Ajuba and Jile, that you've got the most rustic voice ever. I could easily see you sing anything from between an item song to something along the lines of Kesariya Badam. Like you've got the gamut going for you.
Well, not many people know that, but that's I truly believe that I'm blessed that I don't fit in a specific genre.
Yes.
I have a very versatile voice, and that's what I wanna show to the industry folks out there, whether they're in Mumbai, whether they're in Canada. I want them to see that, and that's when I want them to make that phone call to me and say, you know what, you need to come to Mumbai right away.
I am waiting for that phone call. Like I'm gonna keep my eye on your cell phone because at any moment I feel like it could happen
I'll
any
give you my cell
moment.
phone, you can give it with you.
I'm gonna keep it like hello. हाँ ये श्वेता का phone है. श्वेता को छोड़ो मेरे से बात करें आप. So and I'm so excited for where your career is headed. Okay, few quick questions because I know कि आप काफी बेताब है ये देखने के लिए कि ये वीडियो कैसी है and what have Shankar Thakur and Shweta cooked up together. तो वो वीडियो हम आपको थोड़ी देर में दिखाते हैं. But let's ask really quickly, what's the training regimen like? Has it increased ever since 2011 has happened?
Oh yeah. My God, my Guruji is on my case.
Right.
Like sometimes I talk to him twice a week, thrice a week, and this is on phone. He's in India and I'm here, so it's really sweet of him. He wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning for me, and he's like, "Utho, we need to do riyaz." And even yesterday I got an email from him. He's like, "Riyaz karo." So it's my Guruji who believes in me and who has been my my support, my support system. In fact, I think if it wasn't for him, I could probably slack off a bit, but I really you're right, the whole riyaz and not just riyaz, even like physical fitness, everything is so important. They all go hand in hand, so you really have to really focus and give it your 100%, and for that you need to keep it up. You have to have
how much riyaz are we talking about? Like a ghanta a day at least?
That's at least.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Yeah,
like I've practiced for like 6 hours a day. I've done 3 hours and I've taken a break. I've gone out, not eaten an ice cream, come back, had some garam chai, and then again gone back to riyaz.
I'm glad you brought up ice cream because I had once heard this little story that Lata Mangeshkar had only had ice cream once in her life, and ever since then, once it apparently messed up her voice for a recording the next day. So she's never had ice cream after that. What have you given up?
I've given up a lot, and I'm not gonna lie. That happened to me like last week. I was supposed to go for a recording on Sunday morning. Saturday night, my friends took me out, and I'm like, do not even show me a glass of Coke. Okay? Keep everything away from me. Like I've given up, cold drinks. I've given up ice creams, chocolates, like a lot of things.
Chocolate bee?
Yeah, because sometimes it gets a little,
congests your throat a little bit.
A little bit. It's not as bad, but I still stay away from it just to be on the safe side. So yeah, you have to compromise. But then it's you look at it, you're like, hey, music is my life. So what is a chocolate? What is an ice cream? Nothing.
Sangeet ke liye sab tyag diya. I'm telling you, this is the life of a true artist. I'm telling you, this is a talent you definitely need to watch out for. Okay, final question. Being a solo artist, I think working in an Indo-Canadian framework, we spoke about this a little bit earlier. How important do you think is PR as an artist? Because there's a lot that goes on in the industry, whether it's here, whether it's in India, where you'll see talent, and then you'll see the packaged product, and sometimes the packaged product is a little bit more, it gets more spotlight. How important do you think that is?
PR is extremely important. I mean, again, going back to our conversation with reality shows, billion amazing singers. Why are they not heard of after the contest is over? Yes, they get their share of PR marketing when they're on the show, but then they disappear. So PR is extremely important. If it was not for PR, and I'm not gonna lie, I mean, there are not so talented individuals that get a lot of PR and are exposed like left, right, and center every single day. That gets a little too much as well. So it's a tricky question, but PR, I mean, to answer your question in a very simple manner, PR is very important. If you want to get your name out there, if you want people to know about you, you need to be in the news.
Is that equally or more important than talent, would you say, in today's industry?
Talent for me is so important. I wouldn't say PR is more important, but then the way it's a debate we can have. It's an ongoing debate we can have. But yeah, if you have the talent, and if you have strong PR, then that's the perfect situation to be in. I
feel like you've already proven the talent now. If you focus more on like, you need to do like a Kolaveri where you just like absolutely like no lyrics whatsoever. You just like you talk about any kinds of Ghana, just make it, put it out there, and then we'll have the best of both worlds because the talent is already there. Shweta, thank you so much for coming in. I want to know really quickly what's next for you. Give me a sneak peek, which I promise to keep to myself.
Well, I don't know if it's going to be to yourself because it's going to be on national television, but it's just, honestly, I like keeping surprises.
Just tell me.
Yeah. No, like honestly, there's a lot in the pipeline.
And with whom? Anyone? Any names? हिंट कर दो, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है.
अरे यार वो मुझे मार डालेंगे वहाँ से.
The मार डाले gas. We know there's a male. So okay, I think I'll let you go after that. Unless you want to tell me more, which is fine.
No, honestly, there's a lot more exciting stuff coming up.
Okay.
And like Shankar Tucker was a pleasant surprise,
Right.
I promise this is going to be a pleasant one as well.
I'm looking forward to it, and like you said, Shankar Tucker was a pleasant surprise. She's saying the next one's a pleasant surprise. I'm going to assume that Shankar Tucker ke saath kuch na kuch, there's going to be another collaboration coming up. I'm not saying anything, okay? You didn't tell me anything either. I'm guessing, just guessing out, okay? So I'm not getting Shweta into trouble. But jaan se pehle, I'm going to make you promise me two things.
Yeah.
Whatever comes up next, you're going to come and tell us all about it.
Of course.
Because we love having you, and of course we love you even more when you sing for us. If you could actually just hum a note or two of any song whatsoever that you think would be a good conclusion while we go and listen to Sajna.
No, it's Mere Sajan Sun.
Mere Sajan Sun Sun.
Yeah,
There you go.
yeah.
I always get Sajan Suno Suno. I don't know why I made that. Thoda sharafat wala kar diya maine. But okay.
Yeah.
So let's hear
Well, I'll
something.
sing Ajuba because that's my second single that I came out with. So
Absolutely
I'll
love
sing a
that
couple of
song.
lines of that. मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा, ओ महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा. मुझको पाने के खातिर तरसे जहान रह पाएगा जो भी मुझको होगा बेमिसाल रे. मेरी अदाए तौबा पागल बनाए तौबा, सैया बेदर्दी मेरे ओ तुझ पे दिल डूबा. मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा महबूबा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी अजूबा.
Definitely in Ajuba. I think this is the talent that वाकई में इस talent को पाने के लिए तरसे जहान रहे. I'm telling you, I've got all the lyrics memorized.
I know.
So no, definitely there's someone to watch out for. I think we love her as a person. We love her talent, of course. And now we're going to love this brand new track called Mere Sajan Sun Sun. It's a collaboration between two people who are phenomenally talented and celebrated around the world at this point, Shweta Subram and Shankar Tucker. आइए जाके वो गाना सुनते हैं. Of course, जाने से पहले मैं हमारी contact information आपको जल्दी से दे दूं. हमारा phone number 416-703-2182. हमारा website www.tv1canada.com. हमारा Facebook page है facebook.com/must1show. And अगर आप चाहे तो हमें email भी कर सकते हैं info@tv1canada.com. राब्ता हमसे जारी रखें. And of course, Shweta, is there any way people can actually get a hold of your fan pages, your YouTube channels, if you want to tell them really quickly?
Yeah, it's on Facebook. My fan page is facebook.com/Shweta Subram. And of course, my website is really simple, shweta.ca.
Shweta.ca, there you go. देखिए website, Facebook page, like करें, follow her on Twitter. Of course, I think it's @ShwetaSubram as well.
That's right.
There you go. So many ways of getting in touch with such a phenomenal talent. I'm telling you, technology ने राब्ता रखना इतना आसान कर दिया. The biggest stars, you can get in touch with them. And I think Shweta is a shining example of someone who's on her way to being one of the brightest stars to come out of Canada ever. And of course, हमारे साथ भी राब्ता कर ही लीजिए. हम इतने बड़े stars नहीं, but फिर भी it's a good thing. So stay in touch. मुलाकात जल्दी होगी. Until then, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. From myself, Wasim Sheikh. Allah Hafiz.
मेरे साजन सुन सुन क्यों है तो यूं गुमसुम रे. मेरे साजन सुन सुन क्यों है तो यूं गुमसुम रे. गुनगुनाती शाम आई रे पिया, गुनगुनाती शाम आई रे पिया. हो मेरे साजन सुन सुन क्यों है तो यूं गुमसुम रे. मेरे साजन सुन सुन क्यों है तो यूं गुमसुम रे. गुनगुनाती शाम आई रे पिया, गुनगुनाती शाम आई रे पिया. ओ रे पिया रे ननी पापा मामा रे रे ससा. मीठी सी धुनी सुनाए पावनता सुन सुन, मोड़ी नाचे ले आई झुन 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 झुन. मीठी सी धुनी सुनाए पावनता सुन सुन, मीठी सी सारे सनी सारे धनी द पदा पमा पमा गमा गरी गरी सा गरी सा गरी सा गरी सा. जाने है ये जग सारा हूँ मैं तेरे